Hi everyone. In today's video, let us check what is EDIs and how to use EDIs facility. Currently, CDSL has set up an electronic instruction platform that is EDIs. So EDIs is a facility which allows you to sell shares when you have not submitted your power of attorney, that is POA document. POA is a legal document which is mandatory for selling shares from a demat account. In case you are not able to send us the physical copy of POA and still need to sell your stocks, you may give us an electronic instruction. So, unless your POA is updated, the stocks in your demat account will not be visible to you in any of the trading applications. They will only be visible in Box. Therefore, let us check this EDI's facility through Box login. For this, you need to log in Box, so you can log in Box through trading apps or by visiting it through Google Chrome browser using the back office link. Once you log in Box, if your POA is not updated, you will get a pop-up similar to the screen that gives you information on EDI's process and also a tab to download the POA form. Now, coming back to the process, tap on the menu which is on right hand side. Go to Portfolio and click on Holdings. Once you click on Holdings, you'll see a similar screen. Now, please note that the option of Authorize Holdings will be available only for those stocks which have been delivered to your demat account, that is stock in holdings, and may not be available for stocks in clearance which are yet to be delivered from exchange. Also, the authorization button will be available only from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on trading days. Again, back to the process, you will find the button of Authorize Holdings on top of the report. Click on Authorize Holdings to provide your authorization. Once you click, it will ask you to authorize, so please click on Continue to proceed further. Here, in case the TPIN is not generated, then you may click on Generate TPIN, enter your BOID and PAN number to generate a new TPIN. Since for this ID TPIN is already generated, we'll directly click on Continue. After clicking on Continue button, you will be redirected to CDSL's website and will be asked to enter your TPIN. Once you enter your TPIN, the next step will be OTP authentication. So you need to enter the OTP which will be sent on your registered mobile number and email ID. Once you enter your OTP and click on Verify, you shall be redirected to your box and holdings shall be displayed in your trading applications. Here, please note that you should not close the window directly till you are redirected from CDSL to the box page. Also, the given authorization will be valid only for 1 day. So in case you change your mind and decide to sell stocks next day, then you may give a new authorization on the day of selling. Lastly, let us now check whether the holdings are updated in our Sign app or not. So for this, go to your trading application and check DP holdings. Once you refresh your DP holdings, you shall see your updated shares in your application. And in case if you wish to sell your stocks, you need to tap on your holdings and click on Square Off. So for seamless trading and smoother function of your demat account, please courier us duly filled and signed POA form at our Mumbai corporate office, or you may use this EDIS facility as well. Thank you.